In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a PowerPoint on Google Docs. While you can't create a PowerPoint file directly inside Google Docs, you can build the same kind of slide presentation using Google Slides, which is Google's equivalent. It lives in the same ecosystem, saves automatically to your drive, and works great for presentations you'd normally make in PowerPoint. Start by opening Google Drive in your browser, look toward the top left and click the New button. From that menu, choose Google Slides. This is the quickest way to open a new presentation from Drive. If you ever find yourself back on the main Drive page, remember you can press the New button again and select Google Slides to open another presentation at any time. When Google Slides opens, you'll decide how to begin. You can start with a blank presentation for a clean slate, or choose a template if you want a ready-made design. Templates are handy when you need consistent fonts, colors, and layouts without designing everything yourself. If you go with a blank file, you can still apply a theme later so you're never locked in. Once you're inside the presentation, it's time to customize it. Click into the title slide and add your presentation title and subtitle. Use the plus icon to add more slides, and pick a layout that suits your content, like title and body, section header, or 2 columns. To keep your message clear, aim for short lines of text and use line breaks instead of long paragraphs. You can insert images, icons, shapes, or even charts through the Insert menu. Drag to reposition elements and use alignment guides to keep everything neat. If you want a cohesive look, open the theme pane to switch color palettes and font styles in one go. Adjust text using the toolbar for size, weight, and color, and use slide, change background if you prefer a solid color or an image behind your content. A couple of helpful tips as you work. Rename your file at the top left so it's easy to find later. Drive saves changes automatically, so you won't lose your progress. Use undo if you try something and don't like it. Speaker notes at the bottom are great for reminders you don't want on the slide. And when you're ready to check your work, use present to preview how it will look to your audience. That's it. Open Google Drive, click New, choose Google Slides, pick blank or a template, and customize your presentation to fit your story. You're all set to build a polished professional deck without leaving the Google workspace.